juice with citron or lemon. So I am using this one. So let's continue. Lemon juice. Ano to siya guys, para good for pag may cough kayo, ubo, sinisipon, ubo, ayan. So ito na siya, this one. You see that? This is a Norwegian honey or honey in English. So we put one. So if you can see, and this one, the Lipton tea, lemon tea, iced tea, but I will not put cold water. So I have a warm water here, so I put it together, and this one I can drink. It's because next week going back to work, so we need to take care ourselves para iwas ubo tayo. Kasi guys, naka-self-quarantine ako ng 14 days plus 1 day. So, it will be 15 days na naka-quarantine ako. Ayan. Wala naman akong positive. Pero, I am working in the healthcare. So, mayroon last week, inuubo, sinisipon ako. Tapos ngayon, nagiging okay na yung ubo ko. Medyo na, so balik na tayo sa work. Ayan. So ito lang ang iniinom ko every day, and it help a lot. So ayan. And we put this in the glass. Can you get me a glass? Yun. A big one. So let's transfer into the glass. So yan siya, and then we add more water. One. And this is hot water. Water. So it is ready to drink. And then our honey, this one I use, and also the lemon iced tea, and of course the citron or lemon. We don't have the small one, the green one. What is that in the Philippines? Lemon. In Bisaya, we say that lemon seto or lime juice or whatsoever. Also, that's it, our juice. Let's taste it. Looks so very the honey. Smells honey. It is little bit sour, but Yummy. So that's our vlog for today. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are not connected with MADEL Pettersen, please click the bell button so every time I upload a new video, you are always updated. So bye bye for today, until my next video.